Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video lecture, we are going to study about spider group. So let's see all the characteristic feature of the spider group remedies. So let's start with the studying very basic thing, that is group classification of spiders. So they belong to phylum Arthropoda, order spider, class Arachnidae, kingdom Animalia. So in this class Arachnidae group consists of some basic characteristic features that are we are going to study. So those characteristics are, they are having completely 6 pairs of appendages. These are divided again into 4 and 2, that is 4 pair are legs and 2 are their main body parts. These 2 main body parts are attached with a small stalk like structure with each other. They are also called as cosmopolitan creature. Why they are called as cosmopolitan creature is because they can live and survive at any condition, and they can live anywhere without water also. So they just require the food here. For surviving, they just require the food. Where there is food available, the spiders can be found. Do not have bones, wings and shell. They don't have bones, wings and shell, but they have the cuticles present, that are the legs and the body part. Their size varies from pin to human hand, from very small tiny spiders to a huge monster spiders. Their color varies from brown to black, and some tarantulas are very colorful. Some spiders don't drink water for years and years. These spiders usually are found in the desert area. And there are almost 30,000 to 40,000 species of spiders which are found on earth. Let's see social behavior of spiders. They are very communal, means they lives in community or they form their own society. Okay, so lives in social and the communal webs. There are more females present in their webs, which helps to build and repair the webs. Also they kill the insects and feed the feeding is communal. Feeding is communal means if there is one prey, then they will be distributing that prey into their community, and that is why it is called as prey for all. Venom of the spider. Now they are having the poisonous spiders and some are non-poisonous spider. So after the bite of black widow spider and the Lactrodactylus genus, they acts on nerve, so they are the nerve poison. Also tarantulas are very poisonous, which after the bite or where there is site of bite, that area can be necrotized. The poison is that much powerful. The lifespan of spiders are, spider lives up to 1 year, the common spiders, and the tarantulas can be live up to 15 years. These tarantulas are the very different creatures, like they are very colorful and very different than the usual spiders. Let's see the uses. Web catches the many insect. Then they are helpful to control the insects in the apple orchard and the rice field. As we know, the structure of the web of spider is very tricky and trappy, so insects can easily trap into their webs. So these are the uses of spider webs. These are some important remedies which are in a portion of UG from spider group. First is Tarantula hispanica, Tarantula cubans, Theridion and Tela arnerum. General characteristics: the patient craves for banana and they are having aversion for chocolate. I have seen my in my pediatric posting that some children are very having disgust with the chocolates. They are like, no, I just hate chocolate, I don't like the smell of chocolate. So these are the children or these are the persons which are commonly suits the spider group remedies. Now doctrine of signature. Spider has 8 legs which are having constantly in motion. Similarly, patients are seen very restless and there is continuous movement of their legs are seen in these kinds of patients. Then spider catches prey in very cunning and deceptive woven web. That means they are very canine and deceptive in their nature. Similarly, the patient behaviors, the mentals which are seen in the spider group remedies are canine and deceptive. Poison of spider is very violent. All patient complaints are very violent complaints. Male spider dances during mating to attract the female. Similarly, patient desires to dance. They are continuously in motion. They just love activities of their extremities, and this relieves their all complaints. The constitution, they are very restless and nervous type of a persons, hypersensitive patients, and having very colorful personality. As they are having the colorful personality, they are very joyous and enjoyable person. Their colorful personality can be compared with the Ranveer Singh personality. These are like that kind of a persons. Then miasm, they are having tubercular and syphilitic miasm in their background. Temperament is restless, irritable, and nervous. Diathesis is tubercular diathesis. Thermals are chilly patient. They are very, very much sensitive to the cold. Now, sphere of action. They're mainly action on blood. They make the blood very poisonous. Okay, so sphere of action is on mind, blood, skin, CNS, peripheral nerves, heart, extremities, and on reproductive organs. Let's see pathophysiology now. As they act on blood, they make the blood poisonous. After the poison enter to the blood, or blood become very poisonous, it start decomposing. After decomposing, the oxygen level goes down, and that's why there is paralysis and irritation of the peripheral nerves occur. This shows the symptoms like pain, burning, pustular rashes all over the body, then severe abdominal pain. Albuminuria and hematuria is commonly present or commonly seen in such patients. Then delirium and paralysis is seen. Obviously, after acting the blood, it acts on CNS, so it shows delirium and paralysis. Then there is leukocytosis with raised ESR and raised neutrophils. The elements are from noise, grief, motion, closing eyes, sound, fright, and disappointed in love. So this disappointed in love is seen in all the animal group remedies. So this is also present in the spider group. Okay, so mentals of spider group are fearless, courageous. They are very mischievous persons, canine, destructive, and deceptive. Then they are insane kind of a persons, very much restless. There is mental restlessness seen, as well as the physical restlessness is seen in patients. They are very excited and always wanted to do some and the other things, continuously wanted to do something, and continuously wanted their activities to be done of their hands and legs. They are very nervous. Time passes too early. In this, patients are very much hurried to do each and everything, each and every activity or their work they do very fast, so they feel that time is passing so quickly. Aversion to work, then sociality, emotional, sadness is present. There is drastic mood swings are present. At some point the patient is very sad, at the other minute he will be very happy, or then violence is present, hysteria is present. Now, physical symptoms. They are having physical restlessness as well as the mental restlessness, as we see above. Then chorea present, unsteadiness of their hands, fingers, and legs, continuously in motion. So vertigo is present, nausea, hyperesthesia. Then septic condition, periodicity of symptoms is seen. In periodicity of symptoms, that means all the symptoms are having a particular period or time duration. After that duration, the symptoms will reappear again. That is seen in this. Then there is tingling and tremors present of extremities. Sexual erethism, this is seen in females. It is also called as nymphomania, that is more of sexual excitement or desire seen in female, and satyriasis is the similar word which is seen in sexual desire in males. Then there is violent itching. Now general modalities. Now, aggravating modalities are the complaints are aggravated after motion, slightest touch, slightest noise or sound, in damp weather or at night after sleeping, and the complaints are very periodical after a regular time interval or a particular time interval. Then amelioration is in open air after listening to music, dance and warmth. So this was all about the spider group remedies or spider group characteristic feature. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then do like, comment and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing this on my Insta page, that is Dynamic Homeopathy. Please do follow that channel too. Thank you.